Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Dogecoin on Coinbase Pro. Okay, so on the Coinbase Pro app, after you've logged on and everything, you'll see multiple icons on the bottom part of the screen. So the first thing you're going to want to do is actually deposit money into your account. So if you don't already have a bank account linked to your Coinbase Pro account, click on the person icon on the far right, and then you'll see under linked account, add a payment method. So click on that. Okay, so after you've clicked on add a payment method, you see the only option right here is to add your bank account. So click on that, add your routing number, account number, etc. Okay, so after you've linked a bank account to your Coinbase Pro account, we're going to actually deposit money onto Coinbase Pro. Along the very bottom, you'll select that pie graph icon. So I'm going to click on there. And here you have the option to deposit or withdraw. So we're going to select deposit. And here I'm going to choose to deposit US dollars. So click on USD. If you don't see it under that options, you could search for USD in the search bar. So click on USD. And at this point, I'm going to select to transfer it from my bank account. So I'm going to click on bank account. And here I'm going to be transferring, let's say $10 onto Coinbase Pro, and then click on preview at the very bottom. And here we see I'm going to be depositing $10 onto Coinbase Pro. It's going to be available to trade instantly. However, you will have to wait 6 days to be able to send or withdraw the amount of money that you deposited in, or any cryptocurrency that you buy with the amount that you deposit. So I cannot transfer this $10 to regular Coinbase or any other crypto wallet until 6 days are over. So I'm going to click on confirm deposit, and just like that, trade immediately. Don't wait for your bank. So Coinbase is willing to basically front you the money so you could actually buy cryptocurrency while it processes all the backend stuff to take the money from your bank account. So I'm going to click on done. Okay, so as you can see there, I have $10 in my Coinbase Pro account. I also have some Cardano on here, but now we're going to buy Dogecoin. So click on the bar graph icon. Here we could actually search for the cryptocurrency. So now I'm going to search for Doge, D-O-G-E. And there it is right there. Okay, so here we could find Dogecoin. So I'm going to click on buy. Okay, here it looks like it only gives us the option to buy via limit order right now. So I'm going to set the price point that I want to buy it at. So I'm going to set it at 0.408, which is its current market price. I'm going to click on the amount of Doge I would like to buy. And here you can select like 25%, 50%, 75%. This is the percentage of your current cash value. So earlier I deposited $10. I'm going to try to utilize the max amount of my $10. So I'm going to be able to buy 24.3 Doge. Looks like the fee is going to be 4 cents for this purchase. And in total, I'm going to spend $9.96. So if you want to check the current market price, you could just kind of drag this down a little bit, and then you can see at the top right there, Doge is currently trading at 0.4067. So I'm going to actually change that limit price at the top to 0.067. And let's see if I could change the max amount. Okay, so now I could buy 24.4 Doge. Let's see if it's going down anymore. It's going down to 0.4063. So we're actually gonna, okay, so once you're happy with your order, click on preview order and place buy order. And when you scroll on down, you can see your orders. So as you can see, my order to buy 24 shares of Doge for $10 has been fulfilled. And I can click on the back button, click under that pie graph, and I can see that I currently am holding 24.5 shares of Doge, and we're just gonna watch it go either up or down right here. And then after 6 days, I could transfer this Dogecoin into my Coinbase Pro account, and I have a video on how to transfer crypto between Coinbase Pro to Coinbase, so feel free to check that out. If this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.